Guys, ever wondered what it'd be like to have earbuds that don't actually go in your ears? Some say that these are a better alternative to sticking things in your ears. Well, today guys, we're diving into the world of open ear earbuds with the Lytmi CozyFit G1s. Now, these unique earbuds sit on top of your ears, offering a different listening experience. Oh, and they also have active noise cancellation, which, you know what, that's almost unheard of in an earbud of this design. So let's check them out and see how they work and what they sound like, and if they're actually worth your money. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the CozyFit G1 open earbuds with ANC from Lytmi. Now, these earbuds boast a lot of features, all packed into a pretty unique package. But before we get into it, Lytmi sent me these G1s to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, of course, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, we have some instructions. We also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I prefer a USB-C to USB-C because I've got a Mac, but there you are, USB-A to USB-C. Then guys, we are greeted with the charging case and the earbuds. Now, the case is pretty light, and you know what? It's a bit bigger than an Apple AirPods case, but then so are the earbuds due to their unique design. There's an LED on the front of the case and that USB-C charge port on the back. Now guys, open up the case and you can see the earbuds in all their glory. Now, it's definitely a unique design as these loops tuck over the back of the ear and the driver kind of sits on the ear. This means your ear canal remains open, allowing you to hear your surroundings. Now, I've got them on now, and you know, sometimes when I'm making these videos and I've got headphones on or earbuds or something like that, I can't hear myself speak, but you know what? I can. And you know, this is a great feature, particularly for those of you that need to stay aware of your environment. And also, they're really light. I hardly know that I've got them on. Apparently they're around sort of 0.23 ounces, but I've not weighed them, but that's what they say. But quite frankly, I don't even know that I got them on. Now, what about the sound quality? Surely, as they're not shoved in my ear canal with isolating tips and all of that stuff, they can't sound any good, right? Well, actually, they sound surprisingly good. Now, I tried these firstly straight out of the box on their neutral setting, and I have to say this is actually my favorite setting. It's clean with an amazing soundstage. Now, there is an app. Well, I mean, of course there's an app, and the app has some EQ settings on it, or in it I should say, which we'll get to in a minute. But honestly, I was pleasantly surprised at how much detail those 13.4mm drivers were driving sat on my ear and not in my ear. Oh, and you know what? They're not just good for music, they're also good for calls. These CozyFit G1s, they have 4 smart microphones with AI noise reduction. I mean, of course it's AI, everything's AI these days, right? But yes, AI noise reduction. And this setup aims to filter out background noise during calls. And it's a very handy feature for those of you who take a lot of calls on the go. Now guys, here's where it gets a little bit vague for me. I mean, yes, these have active noise cancellation, which, like I said, it's a very interesting addition to open ear headphones or earbuds, but Lytmi say the ANC can reduce low frequency noise up to 15 decibels. However, maybe it's just me, but you know what? When I turned it on and off, well, turning it on and off, you get some spoken instructions. And I don't know if that was detracting away from the actual noise, like recognizing the noise reduction, but you know what? Or the noise cancellation, I should say. But you know what? I didn't really hear much difference. But guys, it's not a showstopper at all, because I like the sound and they're very comfortable with zero fatigue. So that's much more important to me. Now, as with all portable tech, battery life is always going to be a crucial factor. But the CozyFit G1 offers up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. And with the charging case, you can get up to 40 hours in total. There's also a quick charge feature where 10 minutes of charge time gives you 2 hours of playback. So you know what? You're never going to be out of juice for very long with these. You also get an IPX4 waterproof rating, which means they can handle sweat and light splashes, and they're suitable for workouts. But you know what, guys? Don't take them swimming or wear them in heavy rain. Now guys, what about that app? Well, the Lytmi Connect app allows you to customize your listening experience. You can turn ANC on and off, you can adjust your EQ settings, and you can customize the touch controls, because yes, they've got touch controls, so you can play, pause, forward, skip, you know, all of that kind of stuff. And it's a very useful tool to get the most out of your earbuds. And guys, you also get Bluetooth 5.4 for a stable connection, improved range, and stability of connection. Now guys, let's address some of the potential downsides in inverted commas. The open ear design means that these aren't ideal for noisy environments. They might not be the best choice for commuting or air travel. The volume level might also be lower compared to in-ear headphones, and this is due to the speakers not being directly shoved in your ear canal. But you know what? None of these are showstoppers, just observations on how they might differ to conventional earbuds. But guys, they are great for people who need to stay aware of their surroundings, like runners, cyclists, office workers, people that are out and about in the busy streets. They're also good for people who find in-ear headphones and earbuds uncomfortable. So you know what? There's a lot of good to be said about these. So guys, there you have it. The Lytmi CozyFit G1 open ear earbuds offer a unique listening experience with some interesting features and surprisingly good sound. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these up for a mere £79.99 on Amazon, or if you rush over to the Lytmi website now, you can grab them for around £62, which is insanely cheap, because honestly, these sound very, very, very good. Now, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Lytmi for sending me these very innovative earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.